How to use Navionics on K-Astral Series. Connect the device to power. Insert the Navionics chart card. Turn on the device. Tap Accept to continue. Tap Plotter. Tap the menu icon in the upper right. Tap Plotter menu. Find Map choice. Switch it to Navionics. Tap to return. Move to the imported chart area. The Navionics chart is now displayed. Thank you for your watching. ONWA Marine, reliable marine electronics solutions for safer and smarter navigation.